My name is Ninrong Parpi. I read in class 10 at KCBV School Longneet. Now I'm going to read out Preamble of the India Constitution. Preamble. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, on this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.